Joseph Chocki was born March 18, 1888, died May 1, 1971, was a Hungarian avant-garde artist, sculptor, and graphic artist, best known for his early participation in the Cubist movement as a sculptor. Chocki was one of the first sculptors in Paris to apply the principles of pictorial cubism to his art. A pioneer of modern sculpture, Chocki is among the most important sculptors of the early 20th century. He was an active member of the Section d'Or group between 1911 and 1914, and closely associated with Crystal Cubism, Purism, de Stijl, abstract art, and Art Deco throughout the 1920s and 1930s. Chocki fought alongside French soldiers during World War I and in 1922 became a naturalized French citizen. He was a founding member of l'Union des Artistes Modernes in 1929. During World War II, Chocki joined forces with the French underground movement in Valence. In the late 1920s, he collaborated with some other artists in designing furniture and other decorative pieces, including elements of the studio house of the fashion designer Jacques Doucet. After 1928, Chocki moved away from Cubism into a more figurative or representational style for nearly 30 years. He exhibited internationally across Europe, but some of his pioneering artistic innovation was forgotten. His work today is primarily held by French and Hungarian institutions, as well as museums, galleries and private collections both in France and abroad.